This video shows common steps for troubleshooting your wireless internet connection. If you are having problems with your wireless internet connection, right-click the network connection icon in the notification area of the desktop and click Troubleshoot Problems. Then wait for Windows Network Diagnostics to find issues and give you options for resolving them. You can also type Repair from the Start screen and then select Identify and Repair Network Problems from the search results. If the Windows Network Diagnostic tool detects any problems, follow any on-screen instructions. If the computer cannot connect to the wireless network or internet, try rebooting your computer and modem. Shut down your computer, then unplug the power to the wireless router and to the cable or DSL modem. Wait at least 30 seconds, then reconnect the power to the modem and allow it to re-establish a connection. Then turn on the computer and check to see if the issue has been resolved. To make sure Wi-Fi is activated on your device, type Wireless Devices from the Start screen and then select Turn Wireless Devices On or Off from the search results. If Wi-Fi is turned off, click the toggle switch to turn it on. Most notebook computers have a wireless keyboard key or a button on the case that turns the wireless network device on or off. The indicator light glows amber when Wi-Fi is disabled. Press the wireless key on the keyboard to turn it on. Notebook computers use power settings to balance performance and battery life for users. If your wireless connection suddenly stops working when your notebook is operating on battery power, disable Power Saver settings. From the Start screen, type Power Plan and then select Edit Power Plan from the search results. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click the plus signs next to Wireless Adapter Settings and then Power Saving Mode. Next to On Battery, select Maximum Performance from the drop-down list. Restart the device and attempt to reconnect to the wireless network. If you are still having problems with your wireless connection, try moving the computer closer to the router and minimize interference from electrical devices or barriers. If you have installed a new router or made changes to the router settings while trying to fix connection problems, try resetting the router to its factory settings. See the manufacturer's user guide for more information. Outdated firmware may prevent the router from accessing the internet or certain web pages. Consult the user guide that came with your manual for information on how to perform a firmware update. Another possible problem is that the software driver might be missing or corrupt. To fix this, download the latest drivers and BIOS from the HP website using a computer with internet access, and then transfer them to your computer. If none of these steps have worked, perform a Microsoft System Restore to return your computer to its original factory settings. You can